what's going on, everybody? Happy Sangken! Right now I'm on the way to Golden Pagoda. Hey, happy Sangken, everybody! This is a surprise of the day. Whoa! You see that? Whoa! Wow! What is this called? It's a solar rainbow or something. Wow! Right now I am on the way to the Golden Pagoda. This year is special because this year there will be Sangken Grand. I think, wasn't it last year that Mahakumbh was done? This year it's Sangken. So yeah, excited. Let's go. Oh, I'm not. Oh, what बढ़िया. Oh, this place is so lively, man. Great vlog ahead. I can already feel it. Hey, hold. Yeah, if you're not gonna be wet, somebody's gonna splash you with water. Somebody will splash you with water. So be ready for that. You gotta be ready for anything in this place. Look at that. We're going there. We're gonna go there. Let's go. Man, look at that. I want to go more closer. Poi Sangken. If anybody you know or somebody knows you, you'll be 100% sure that they will be throwing water at you. So be ready.
Poi Sangken International Sangken Festival
Yo, that was awesome, everybody. So this is the festival of Sangken. It's a water festival, largest water festival, the Buddhist festival, being celebrated in Thailand, Myanmar, Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos. Basically everywhere there are Buddhists, this festival will be celebrated. And right here in India, this is the biggest one. Sangken, Mode. Even this banner is giving a shout out to me. Well, look at that. Wow. This is a traditional dance that's going on. Always lovely to see, always. I know. Great. Hey, what up? I told you. Anybody, if they recognize you, they will be splashing water. That's all I get. It's too deep. The water's too deep. That's all I get. Ah, that's cool. That's cool. I have made videos in the past where I did a round of this exact temple. Now look at it. So many people, so much activity, so much joy and happiness going on. So why do we celebrate this festival? It's because the Buddhists believe that during these 3 days, Buddha is here on the earth. So during this time, we celebrate this festival. So after 3 days, Buddha goes back to his realm. I mean, this whole thing is beautiful. This whole event, that's what I mean. It's beautiful. But right now we're going for the actual thing. Going into the war zone now. Here we go. Alright, it's the third time, everybody. Third time. Let's go. Third time's the charm. Let's go. Let's go. Ada rung đau đi. Wait. Ada rung đau vậy. Yeah. Hey, lots of fun, really. Lots of fun. Once you get the hang of it, it's really fun. Yeah, पानी मिला? नहीं चाहिए, हो गया. That was awesome. Awesome, that's really great. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. Wow, look at that, lots of fun. Wow, frame rate क्यों ना जो? Yo, that's the traditional dance going on. Very fun, very fun. Hey, yeah, this is so good. The traditional dance, and I love the song also.